Alright. First possession will be Team United Bowlers. Hipolito penetrates, short, recovered by Goboyo. Malaya. Number 10. Out of bounds. Boyo. Back to Flores. Flores in the paint. Floats. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ni Castillo. Castillo. Morobosa. Speeds. Inalas ni Headers a score. And one basketball by Morobosa. Foul number 19. Bitas. Number 19. Bitas. First personal foul. Morobosa will be in the line for his bonus. Bonus shot on goal. Ahid inbounding the ball. Ahid. Uboyo. Ang parents Romeo ng Ipos Lago. Roll to shoot. Pay to shoot. Ahid. Well defended. Recovered by Bonifacio. And a loose ball. Castillo, number 77, setting up the play. Beats, number 10, penetrates, finds Hipolito. Overshoots, rebound ni Mahin.
Parang pareho yung uniform.
Mahin to Goyo. Goyo, in the paint, penetrates. Recovered by Mahin. Fade away shot, wala, rebound ni Castillo, then a steal by number 19, Vitas. Jerome to Boyo. Take Boyo penetrates. Finds JJ. One goal. Recovered by Mahin. Kuha ni Jerome. Pulls the three. Tama yan. Rebound na yan. Hipolito. Hipolito. Number 8. Inaras ni Jerome. Forcing the offense. One goal. Rebound by Robosa. Puts it in. Robosa. Ayop. Uppercut ng ball.
Sila pa nakascore ah.
Boyo. Finds Mahin. Short. Recovered by Mahin. Naibit. And a loose ball. Castillo.
Alas si ano ah. Basket time out daw.
Alatano. Number 10. Won't go. Rebound by JJ. To Jerome Pitas. Jerome crossover. Finds JJ. Boyo setting up and to shoot. Flores pulls the three. Short. Rebound na yan ni number 77. Castillo. Castillo to Hipolito. Hipolito penetrates. Puts it in. Time out. Team Ipo. Our score is 32-41. Alright, back to ball game. He's still by number 14. Nice still din ni Boyo. Boyo, cooking. Rebound by JJ. Finds Mahin. What a beautiful baseline shot. Si number 31. De La Cruz. First short. Rebound na yan ng team. Ipo. Libre. Si Boyo. Tingin pa. Yes, sir. De La Cruz. Number 10. Number 10. Bates. Forcing the offense. Puts it in. 35 ang ating score. Boyo. Boyo penetrates. Iniwan ang tatlo. And it's four. Substitution. Pagkagaling naman talaga yan ating idol. Pera sila. Robosa. Moving. And there's a foul. Committed by number 10. Foul number 10. 34-47. Ang ating score. Boyo. Ganda naman doon. At ang bola. There's a foul. Number 31. Who's foul rep? Number 5. Foul number 5. First one, one go.
Ikot mo.
Second one is Ryan. Out of bounds. Our score is 34-47 in favor of Team Ipos Lazarus. And now, Zim. De La Cruz. Deep by Mahin. Mahin. To Boyo. To Flores. What a beautiful pass by Boyo to Flores. And a steal by the Team Ipo. And there's a foul committed by number 14. Timeout! Timeout, Team United Colors. Our score is 34-49. Alright, basketball league. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Quarterfinals between Ipos Lazarus and United Ballers. MGB Task Force, one goal. Rebound, nice din yan ng Tumipo. Ayos bahay, natabing yung bola. Is steal by the Team United Ballers. Romosa, libre. Puts it in. 26-49. MGB Task Force, one goal, rebound Lee. Same ball possession. Wala na. Drop pass. Flores pulls the three. One goal. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Labiano penetrates. Ayos Casillo. Labiano, wala. Rebound ni Porto to Robosa. Overshoots. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Jerome Vitas. Jerome and foul. Foul by number 91. Penalty situation ref. Number 91 foul. Penalty situation ref. Number 19 will be the line for his bonus. First one is good. The second one is goal. Number 91.
51 daw.
Finds number 8. Wala yan.
Kuya, ano, 51. Oh, nakashot. Oh, okay na, okay na, okay na.
Maano kasi mainit yung laban eh, kaya kailangan nun.
Boyo penetrates in the paint, fakes, finds Mahir on the baseline. What a beautiful isolation and an assist with a conversion shot made by Mahir. Piano, Robosa. Robosa penetrates. Nakatabi yung bola. Kuha na ng tumipon. Inipon. Ayan na naman si Boyo. Cooking. MG, Jerome. Overshoots. Recovered by Boyo. Lubitas, number 31. Stephen Curry ng Ipo. Rebound by Mahin. Finds Boyo. Fakes. Spins. And there's a foul. Committed by number. Where's foul rep? Number 6. Foul number 6. Substitution.
Tika, Asif!
Boyo. What? Boyo.
Uli!
Second one is
Hey, baka na, baba na!
Si Castillo. Castillo penetrates. Libre na. Overshoots. Recovered. Ayos din yan. Gonzol. Kumain. To Boyo. Tumahid. Libre na naman. The Blue has a play made by the team Ipos Lazarus. Robosa jumps in the paint. Overshoots. Rebound by Mahin. Boyo. Boyo.
Next one!
Si. Goal! Boss, sino nagkaka? Time out, game. Wala na silang time out. Team United Ballers, wala na kayong time out.
Kaya tigil na, tigil na.
36:58 on the next score, 1 minute.
Okay lang.
Alright, back to the ball game. We only have 1 minute 56 seconds left in this third quarter. 36:58 in favor of the team Ipos Lazarus. Castillo, the Flaviano fakes, short, recovered by number 20. Boyo, setting up the play, milking the time. 38, 10 to shoot, Boyo, finds Flores, pulls the 3, short, rebound, long pass to Robosa. Robosa, lumipad na yan! One goal! Rebound by Guanzon to Boyo. Boyo trying to burn the time. 13-15. Boyo cooking show. Boyo iniwan ng kalaban. Boyo finds the wrong man. Pinasa kay Robosa. Robosa, yan naman si Robosa, the star player of United Colors. Puts it in. Count-one basketball by Robosa. Foul number 4. Flores.
Gutom ako.
Robosa will be the line for his bonus shot. Our score is 40-58. Time remaining, 48 seconds.
Dito ka.
Robosa, the first one is one go. Rebound.
Ulit!
Foul sa number 20. Pushing foul. Vitas will be the line. Penalty situation na yan, 31. First one go.
Rick. Yan. Rick, pinamuli ka.
Second one. One go still. Rebound by Castillo. To number 20. Looking for his teammates. Back to number 20. Thomas the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan. Recovered by number 1. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Hipolito to Robosa. Penetrates. Floats. Puts it in. 42-58 ang ating score. 17 seconds left in this third quarter. 14 seconds. And to shoot.
Oras! One!
8. Lawrence. Nakalaban. Shaking. Baking.
Oras! Yes, Rick. Good!
And
Pasok!
Basket, kita.
counted
3
as
points. Counted.
Alright, counted. Alright, our official score is 61-42. Buzzer beater shot. Our score is 42-61 in favor of the team East Lazarus. We are now in the fourth quarter of this game.
Hahawak niya naman ang bola eh. Bago na. Counted eh.
Nakita talaga niya 0-0. Kaso, doon babasa sa base.
Alright, taking P for Lazarus ball. One stone, number 15 to number 1, Boyo. Setting up the play, Flores, pulls. Step back, 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni. Wala na yan, hindi Hipolito. Castillo. Castillo, di Hipolito. Overshoots.
Oras!
Boyo is milking the time. 42-61. Boyo finds Vitas and a foul committed by number 77, Castillo. Will be the line for his bonus. Vitas will be the line for his bonus shot. MG Vitas. And the first one is
Hey, sila!
one goal.
Sab. Tumira na. Mamaya na, pagka-Red Bull.
Substitution.
Flores!
Our score is 42-62. That is Castillo setting up the play. Finds number 10, pulls the trigger, overshoots. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pasok, substitution. Hanip na kayo dyan, technical kayo dyan. Mas na isa. Boyo. Setting up the play.
ISO, 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 ISO.
Cooking. And si Boyo. Finds Mahin. JJ. Pulls. Overshoots. Rebound ni Gonson. Hansen. The biggest guy. And si Castillo. Penetrates. Wala pa rin ang tira ni Castillo. Rebound by Vitas. Jerome Boyo. Boyo still. Penetrates. Pasto. One song, one goal.
Sayang.
Rebound na yan ni Castillo. Castillo, number. Penetrates. Overshoots. Turnover. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pasok na. Wala pa. Sige na, pasok na. Alright.
ISO,
Ayan na, ang Pinito.
ISO. Uy,
Yan na naman si Terence Romeo. Hindi mo na malaman. Uy! Wow! Committed by number 11. Number 14. Holding foul. One song. With JJ. Look, one zone. JJ. Pulls. George. Recover to JJ. And a score by JJ. And United Colors. Makakabawi kaya sila. And as number 14. Inaras. Innocent Labiano. To Hipolito. Fakes the three. And to shoot tayo. Hipolito forcing the offense. One goal. Rebound ni Vitas. Vitas. MG Vitas. And to shoot. 7.
5 to shoot.
Meron si Guanzo. Technical foul. Number 15, technical foul for taunting. That is illegal.
Bakit na technical? Ah.
Substitution, pasok na. De La Cruz will be in line because
Bawal pala yun. Dapat ano lang. Counted pero technical.
our score is 42-69. 7 minutes remaining in this last quarter. Tao na. 7 minutes remaining. United Colors. Lang na mabasahan. De La Cruz pulls. Won't go. Covered by Robosa. Sidestep. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 10. Puts it in. Yano. Converting.
ISO again.
And si Boyo. There's Romeo. Finds one zone. Number 15. Lubitas. Pulls the 3. And a score. 3 points. Vitas. Ayan na, si Hipolito, babawi kaya. Pulls the 3. Won't go. Rebound ni Boyo.
Ayun.
Libre, si JJ. And a score. 74-44. isang buwan na malamangan ng Team Ipo. Ayan na, Hipolito forcing the offense. On go, rebound na yan ng Team Ipo Stars. Walang bola, same ball possession.
Symbol.
Hipolito. Rejected and a foul. Time out. Ipas Nasser.
Tanong ka lang. Yung time out. Tanong.
Tanong lang ba yan?
Okay lang yan.
Meron pa kayong isang time out. Saka,
Nagtanong lang pala.
Para pahinga.
kala ko yun.
Ilan yung time out? Okay lang yan, para makapahinga.
Sakto yung pagtawag niya.
Our score is 44-74. Time remaining 5 minutes 43 seconds. And this time is brought to you by Copa Lemon, Fridays, Young Bar, and Easy Minimize. We're back to the high score.
Kala ko time out.
Time out na.
Tanong pala. Time out na. Okay na yan.
Rabosa, and it's good. The second one won't go. Rebound by Mahi. To Flores. To Boyo. 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 Poking show. Boyo penetrates. Finds Mahi. Rebound by Mahin.
5 to shoot.
Face away shot. Overshoots. Rebound by Team United Bowlers. Robosa. Libre na yan. And score. Itas. Flores. Number 9. Flores. One shot. Rebound by Mahin. Elaborate. Strong offense shot made by Mahin. Castillo. Inaharas. Finds number 14. What a beautiful assist and a score. 49-76. Flores setting up the play. Skins in the paint. Floats. Overshoots. Rebound by De La Cruz. Long pass to number 14. Flies. One go. Recovered. Wala pa rin. Rebound na yan ng Team Ipo. Then I see. Moyo. Cooking show. Side set. In the paint. One go. On number 77. Substitution. Moyo will beat the line for his bonus. The first one is good. Second one is good. Our score is 49-78 in favor of the Team Ipo Salados. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. To number 91. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni Mahin. Pass to Boyo. Terence Romeo. And a foul. Foul number 77. Get up the situation yan. Time remaining 3 minutes, 51 seconds. Meron pa kayong tig isang timeout. Pasok.
Pasok.
First one is good, and the second one won't go. Wala na ng team. United Bowlers yan. Castillo. To Castillo. Number 77. Robosa. Robosa, steal by Mahin. To Bitas, to Boyo. To Mahin. 8 seconds by Wilson. Turnover. Robosa, 2 points per meter shot. Boyo
Sabi, open no!
finds Watson, almost losing the ball. Watson steal.
Oras,
To
oras!
Boyo, 10 to shoot. 2, Vitas, won't go. Rebound by Labiano. Labiano in the paint. Easy jumper by number 91. 53-79, 2 minutes 55 seconds.
Eric, Eric!
Boyo to Guanzon, to Flores, to Guanzon. Guanzon scores the 3. One goal. Easy shot by Mahi. The baseline. 53-81 ang ating score. Timeout. United. Wala nang timeout ang United, pero pang isa sa Team Ipo. Our score is 53-81 in favor of the Team Ipo's Lazarus. Time remaining 2 minutes 41 seconds. This time is brought to you by Pokol Lemon, Fridays, Shopmore, and Easy Minimart. Alright, back to the hard court. 2 minutes 37 seconds. Number 10 pulls a 3-1 go. Out of bounds. Ball will be in favor of the Team Ipos Lazarus. Inbound the ball, Boyo. JJ.
Bubuhayan mo yan!
Forcing.
Bubuhayan mo yan!
JJ
Yan na!
steal.
Kumana na!
JJ.
Kumana na!
JJ.
Kumana na!
Nakuha yan ang team.
Kumana na!
United corners. Kaya na si Castillo. Forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound by Boyo. Boyo. Ang ganda ng ikot. Iniwan ang kalaban. Boyo steal. Cooking show. Finds number 31. Vitas. Robosa to Castillo. And a score. 55-83. 1 minute 49 seconds. Boyo again. Boyo. Iniwan ang kalaban. Naghahanap ng mamasahan. Iniwan na naman. In the paint. Finds number 31. There to shoot. Watson pulls the 3. Short. Out of bounds. Robosa. Robosa penetrates. And a foul committed by number
Patay!
6.
Ay, sige!
Jerome Vitas.
Kanina pa yun ah. Stabilizer! Stabilizer!
Substitution tayo.
Papanggap lang yan!
Substitution. Injury timeout.
Hindi totoo yan! Papanggap lang yan! Na! Nawakas na!
Rosa will be in the line for his bonus.
Uy!
One goal.
Ikaw yan! Ikaw yan!
Second one is good. One goal pa rin. Rebound by Fabiano. Fabiano pulls the 3. Overshoots. Out of bounds. Oyo. 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 Cooking show again. Pollo in the paint, penetrates, finds JJ. Overshoots. Ayan na, si Castillo. Overshoots. Rebound pa rin ni Castillo. Good yan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Vitas. Vitas. Number 31. 48 seconds. Watson. In the paint. Mataping yung bola. Rebound by Vitas. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Pulls the 3. One go. Rebound by Watson. Nioyo pa. Good. Yan. Good sir. 85-55 ang ating score. Libre na naman si Castillo. And a score. 22 seconds left. 20 seconds. 18. Watson penetrates. One go and a foul. 11 seconds. Watson will be in the line. One shot, one go. And the second one go still. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo pulls a 3. Wala yan. And done.